Whoa, whoa, whoa. And ladies and gentlemen, everything in between, welcome back. Corey's Trading Desk. We're back here with another one. Back with another. Back with another. Back with another one. All right, let's see what we did yesterday. Let's see where we at. Are we getting up there? All right. Wait, let me make sure my mic is good there. All right, we're gonna start on the higher time frame, up to daily, and see. This is our daily blue Bissy. Came down, stayed above half. First target is going to be halfway here. So still looking for longs. Anything to get me long to target this right here. Uh, 15-minute. That. All this stuff. All this stuff up in here. Now, like I said, I'm looking for anything to get me long. I'm not saying we couldn't come back down here. Let me check the economic calendar and see what we got on the agenda for today. All right, today is January 6th or 3rd. So we have news at 10 o'clock. Jolt's job opening. And I will be trading up until tomorrow, up until Wednesday. So again, we got news at 10 o'clock today. Hey, that worked. So I'm looking for anything to get me long this morning. Anything to get your boy long. I would say long because we ran Asian low, New York PM London low, New York lunch low. This is yesterday's first presented fair value gap. Then we have this low. Let's get rid of that. And this low. So we're at a premium compared to this. I think still equal highs right here. Excuse me. Same thing here. We want to see if we can get above halfway of this. Maybe the first target for today, I guess for this week. So, and it's high impact news. I can't remember if it was high impact. Well, if it goes for London, where's the Asian? Tis tis. Let's see, where is, I didn't even look at the PM from yesterday. Let's see if what we, first percent fair value gap. Our draw liquidity is up there, so we want to see it used as a what? As a BISI, sell side delivered. Oh, that's a nice little move in the PM from yesterday. That's pretty fly. What we got at 921. Now. Monday, June 2nd. Monday, June 2. Monday, June 2. Good opportunity. Look like a setup. Now let me see what are the rest of the day. Wicked into it. Up. And then London at 6:30 a.m. Again, this is classified as a what? BISI. Buy side, sell side imbalance means sell side hasn't been delivered. Oh, that was nice. Real nice. Let's see, that's a top. Question is, when is it going to come back down here? That's still there from May 12th. But again, we're not worried about that. We're just going to worry about what it's presenting to us. Again, I think this is the draw. Ultimately, that one, that's consequent encroachment. And obviously the high would be the real draw on liquidity. That's already too. Good opportunity. Look like a setup. Excuse me. people. Oh, excuse me. Trying to see equal highs, equal lows. That's what I'm looking for. Got a high here, got a low there. Excuse me. Gray seems may be gray, but I love your bloopers. Hairline. Bad thing. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Don't wanna hear about your horoscope or what the future holds. Shut up, and let's get gory. We got equalize or equalize. Get an equal relative equal low here, and then there. Again, my draw's up there, so I'm gonna see what it runs to first. Just like yesterday. Yesterday it ran to this and then took off. The gray seems maybe gray, but I love your bloopers. Got this low down here. And again, we got news at 10 o'clock. I can't remember if it was high impacts runs. It was either, oh my goodness, I'm going to have to go and find that. This high impact runs London, and medium will get to Asia or something. He said, "What do you call a fake noodle?" An impasta. Oh, that's so stupid. Oh shit. All right, we got the open. Let's see what we're dealing with. We got nothing. want to see this first presented fair value gap be, I guess, a bitsy, because we want to see it go higher. And if it's a SIBI, I want to see that treated as an inversion. And then there was no opening range gap. It's tiny. So close to open, it's tiny. So these highs ran. So I'm not exactly sure, but my draw is up here. And do I want to do this leap? What's the difference between that? Wicked. Wicks do damage, bodies tell the story. And we got that there. So we ran for these. The draw is still up here. See if it got to retrace into something. And then we'll wait until the first presented fair value gap or 10 o'clock. First presented fair value gap. Oh, we gotta wait until that. This will be, well, it should be a first presented fair value gap, but we're gonna wait for this candle to print to figure out where. Because my draw on liquidity is still up there. The daily. Okay. First presented fair value gap. Tuesday, June 3rd. So one of the things I want to practice is I want to practice that initial run, letting that go and catching the second one. I only say that because the second move's always bigger than the first one. So we got equal lows down here. That's sell side here. Oh, excuse me. Tuesday, June 3rd. And it's the first week of the month, so we treat Friday like non-farm payroll. So tomorrow will be the last day if I do decide to trade. Let's see if we can run this sell side down here. And then we got this down here as well. So, and then wasn't much of an opening range gap this morning. If any. So we closed here. And we opened here. Up at halfway right here. We're below consequent encroachment. Where's my open? Let's take this. I'm cool with that one. So that's a sell side liquidity. I want to see if we go and attack to ultimately get back up here. Or was this the run on buy side and we coming down here? But we'll see what happens when we get below this. But again, my draw on liquidity is up here, so let it run this to go higher. Run it, you fish, you fish. Monday, June 2nd. Oh. Looks like we're about to get that. Yeah, that's fine with me. Bodies tell stories. Wicks do damage. Well, what did this wick do? Anybody that was still long was taken out. I might say taken out, de-seated, dethroned, per se. So what do? We didn't run the sell side. Ran that. And then if my oh wow. 15-minute, we wicked both sides. Yeah. See what it look like on an hourly. There's no inefficiencies here on an hourly. It's all up here. Again, we're looking for longs, man. I was going to say shorts, but we're looking for longs. I want to see if we can use this as an inversion. See, the one thing that's kind of stopping me is we got these down here. Because again, we have news at 10 o'clock. So we got this sell side here. But my draw is here. So my thing is, well, what did we run here? Run this low. And we're back into the first percent fair value gap. So going on, I think I'm gonna trade this leap. This little challenge thing. And that would be a Bissy, a 1 minute. Yeah, I ain't even gonna cap. I don't know. I know my draws up here, that or at least that's what I want to see. So we're just gonna focus on longs. We're gonna go long there. I can only trade one in this. Max position size is 1. Really? All right. I'll take one, I suppose. Target profit. Let's see if we can get up there today. Oh, what do you? All right. What's going on there, buddy? And then we'll go stop loss down there. So now we wait. Screaming Jesus, but I want more. I won't stop until I hear the world scream my name out. Oh, I'm popping. Oh, oh, oh. All I'm doing right now is taking the highest wick and I'm finding consequent encroachment. So consequent of this wick is right here. Consequent encroachment of this wick is right here. Again, for me, I want to see him close above that. But we got this down here. So that's where I'm like, eh. But my drawing liquidity is up here. So we'll see. Like I said, I want to see him close above this, and look what we're doing. We're wicking. So yeah, I'm not sure. I said I want to see it close above that. And I'm in this normally I would do 2, but Trade Station or what is this? What is this? Trading View is doing this little competition, I guess. So yeah, we just gonna see what we can do in that. Like at any other time, I would have took 2 contracts. So I will either close at this high and see how it operates, or we'll leave it and let it run. But we want to see how we get to this high. That's cool with me. Same thing happened here. This stuff's awesome, man. I would like, this is crazy. Like, who knew, man? Went from driving trucks to this. I love it. I love it. Smelling like a come up in the answer to our problems. Mind it though. All right, well, we're at this high. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and close that one right there. Boom. That's one. I know I'm fine. Our time frame. We have nothing yet. I know I'm fine. But the money makes me handsome. I walk around smelling like a comer to an answer to a problem. So I don't mind. I like it though. How you think you do? I like it though. I know I'm fine. 950, 1010, macro. And this was classified as a what? SIBI. Sell side, buy side imbalance. Let's see. Again, we'll see. So technically what's open in this inefficiency, this to that, and then we still got this down here. We have sell side down here. I mean, it could even be that, but 21,498. But we wanted this to treat as a what? Inversion. 2 minute. 3 minute. 5 minute. Let's see. These are too clean. We'll see. Oh, let me make sure this mic is still working. It didn't die on me. And we're Gucci Bando. And if we want to get from there to this, anything below this is 50%. Are we leaving fair value gaps or are we hanging around in them? And it's down close candle supporting price. Supporting price. All right. $21,568. Let me tell you about it. I got my city on the map. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you about it. Tell you about it. Everybody run. Everybody run. Everybody said. Everybody dead. He said this girl sent me a picture of her on Snapchat. She's in a wheelchair. Oh, that is hilarious. Hey, everybody need loving, man. My brother is stupid. This nigga is a fool. She's in a wheelchair. So, shit, maybe she think you look good. Oh, Jesus. I love it. I love it. She's shooting her shot at him. Hell yeah. So what do I see? Highs ran. And again, my draw's up there, so I should have entered here. But anything below this is free game. So my target is here. And again, if I don't get a trade today, I'm okay with it. Yeah. I'm A-okay. If anything, I'll come back in the PM if we haven't reached up there. We're hanging out in PD arrays. Down. Again, I'm still bullish, But I believe there's going to be a retracement. I think we're going to come down in here. I only say that because down, ran this high. So buy side ran. If we can get up there again, I'd say that. But if we can't, I'll say down here. But we're also above the opening range gap, consequent encroachment as well. So you know, we went down, wicked into it, stayed above it. Oh, dang it, this is halfway. Yeah, I need to be going long. See if I can get an entry. Bro, that is comical. Like, how does that happen to him? Like, the crazy part is for you to respond to her, she was probably pretty as hell. Oh shit! Yes, I love it. 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 Freaking love it. If we shoot up past that 50 and I can't get an entry, we'll not enter. Check out my 5 minute. There's no inefficiency on the 5 minute. None. No, I lied. We got one right here. If you don't want to be saved, don't save her. Don't save her. Don't save her. No role models to speak of. 5 minute busy. I need to go and see if I can get that long. Oh. I came fast like Y11. I got no shame about it. Same without it. And I thought back to a better me. Before I was a B-list celebrity. Before I started calling so heavily. You the platinum plaque without no melody. I wouldn't sweat. One time for my lame, telling them different. Yeah, see, this is still too clean to me. But you gotta get past all of this to even get down there. Roasting and Viv love. That Jada and that Will love. Ah! Yeah, I didn't get no entry. But we cool though. Yeah, I didn't get no entry down in here, but I mean, I see a couple. Yeah, I see a couple. 5 minute busy. Oh dang! Look at that. That all aligned. 5 minute busy. Opening range gap. Consequent encroachment. Wicked down into it and left it. That was my entry. Or even this right here. But again, I'm not. We ain't chasing price. We're gonna let it do what it's gonna do. So I wanted to see get up into there. Look like it's gonna be a high resistance liquidity run. It's 10:01. some no the new I said the noise. The news didn't even move it. We'll search for a silver bullet now. No, man, I don't want to chase it. I really don't. Mm-mm-mm. Dang, dang, dang. So we get a tracing below into here. We'll go long up into there, but that's above the 50. All right, there we go. Forgot to turn it back on. Sitting there talking to myself. Basically, I want to see it stay in the top half of this right here. I don't want to see it come down below. And we're below all my 5 minutes. Like ramen in the basement. So that's one. That's two. Again, I want to see the market close above my high time frames. Just how we're doing there. So this one is this one. Hello. My bad. I did not realize my mic died. I'm sitting there talking to myself. My bad. Plug this thing up. I knew that was gonna happen too. That's crazy. All right. Again, I'm not so sure where any of this is gonna go. I want to see it run here. That's my my draw, or what I want to see hit for the week. But these down here, man, and maybe I'm looking ahead too far. That's too clean. But in order to get there, you have to get past all of that and all of this. 15-minute. Another thing is this 15-minute fair value gap is closed. Let me so you get a visualization. Visual a visual. Jeez Louise, Batman. So technically, the only thing still open in this 15-minute fair value gap is this up here. And we didn't get to halfway. Let's go to an hourly. Hourly is closed. Let's go 4 hour. Even higher time frame. 4 hour, we are right at halfway. Like I said, I don't know, man. Like I want to see highs. I want to see this high ran, but to me, this is too clean. And then you got yesterday's first presented fair value gap. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And see, and then this is still being treated as inversion. And 5-minute lowest wick. So now, since this wick's lower than anything else, I'm going to change it and measure this wick. Okay, look at that. So I wonder if my initial draw was correct. Again, we'll watch. I'm not in any rush to press any kind of buttons. Yeah, we'll see. And I guess we got sell side down here too. We have no fear. Oh, excuse me. So the only inefficiency I see is down here. Technically, what's left open is that to that on a 5 minute. Oh no. See, that's all that's left on a 5 minute on my higher time frame. That's where I'm leaning towards this one. Again, like I said, I don't know, man. If you don't know, you don't do it, right? Let's see, what did this run? Yeah, I mean, Misa don't know. It's my Jar Jar Binks. Yeah, I don't. I have no idea. I want to say higher prices, like I do. Well, the way they're digging around in these imbalances, I don't know. Or inefficiencies, I guess. Yeah, let's see something. Didn't even get to halfway of this week. Take a puff at his wife. I don't even know what to think. I'm not a pimp, I'm a prophet. I told that hoe when to stop it. Get it from God. Yeah, man. Like I said, I have no idea. I have no idea there, buddy. No freaking clue today. I mean, I got something, but with my executions settings from here to there. But let's see if we measure that from here to there. Go fib one. So 50% was there. Or 50% is your first target. Again, it took something out. It's not, you know, I know it's a whole lot. But this, to me, this seems difficult. Like, it seems extremely difficult to read right now. So I don't know, man. I feel like it could either go either way. Look at this hard. Excuse me. It's rude. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Like, I have not the slightest fucking freaking idea. Can't tell if that's a gap. Of course it is. So we'll include all that. And also include all that. Yeah, see, I don't know. King Kunta. So, you know, we're above the opening range gap, consequent approachment. So my gut's telling me longs, but again, I think this is too clean. I think that's way too fucking clean. Freaking clean. Get rid of that one. One thing I will say is this is being like, this is the only thing that's stopping. Went down, below, now we're back above it. Yeah, like 15 minutes until 11. That's this wick, close below it. That's that wick, close below it. See, that's all the news we got today, right? June 3rd, 9 a.m. I mean, 10, I guess 9 a.m., 10 o'clock. And then what? Non-farm payrolls tomorrow, or, you know, it's Friday. know, I'm gonna have to call you back. I was looking at May. Why is it doing this? June 3rd. All right. Oh, we finally gonna get it? Single above halfway. If we can get above this 5 minute, I'm still okay with that. Let's see. We're retracing it here. Oh, creeping up on 11 o'clock. Oh, excuse me. So we need a retracement down into that or that. Well, we ain't gonna get that. I was waiting for a retracement, but I don't think we're gonna get it. And if we do, this will be the day. See, I should have waited because now my stop loss gotta go all the way down here. But again, we'll see. I know where I want to go. I want up here. We'll just go straight to the 100. Take profit there. And I want to see it up here. again, we'll see. We're above all my 5-minute targets, and that's another reason why I decided to go long. But it's gonna leave this. I should have freaking waited. Because now I'm gonna have to sit through some retracements. I'm gonna have to, or close it all together. Because that and that, depending on where that closes. And that's the thing. If it comes down here, I'm just gonna add more. I'm literally just gonna add more. You get down into here, 61, 70%. I'll put 2 more on. I should have waited. But no, it's gonna force me to sit through some retracement and drawdown, which again I'm okay with. It's all right with me. I said if we can get that, that's what I would like to see. Get above it, just 50%. Got 2 minutes left in a 5-minute candle. And I'm saying my draw is up here, man. I don't think, because again, you got all this to get through to even attempt to get down here. We're closed. We're above this wick. We're above the 5-minute wick here. All right, now I'm going to put a stop loss. Put that there. See, I guess that's a retracement. We'll close it at the halfway. Like ideally, I want to see it get up here. That's what I would like to see, but again, we just respond accordingly. See what's over here. I'm gonna just do one there. See if we can get up there. So I literally had to sit and wait. Wait. Give rid of that. 5-minute. Busy. 1 minute. So we're right at 50%. Again, I want to see if we can get there. Might close this, close one. Time is, I gotta go make a phone call. Well, I need to go return a phone call. Life is life, and like usual, here a lot longer than usual than I want it to be. But I think we took 3 trades this morning. 1, 2, and then 3. I think that was like 64 ticks or something. I don't know. But Gucci Gucci Bando. Hey, Gucci Gucci Bando. Hey. Nah, yeah. I hope y'all have a blessed day. It's been a fun one. Kind of difficult, but one thing I am learning is patience. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. So we came and ran that this morning. Yeah, but hey, love and live life. Peace.